Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and remove a bid on eBay. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, now we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what we have to do is, first of all, we're gonna access our particular eBay on our mobile phone. And once we have done so, this kind of interface gonna appear, right? So if we would like to simply cancel our particular bid on eBay, what we gotta do, we gotta contact the support. So for that, we're gonna tap on this my eBay option here in this section. We're gonna scroll down and tap on this help option given below, and here in the section you're gonna find all kinds of articles that are given over here. You're gonna scroll down and tap on this option called need more help over here, and then you can see this contact us option, right? Go ahead, tap on it, and you're gonna tap on this buying option, how bidding works, paying or items. You're gonna find all kinds of options. Go ahead, tap on this how bidding work, and paying for item, unpaid item apply, bid shipping, etc., and non-bidding bid policy. You can find all kinds of options. Go ahead, tap on this bid snipping, and simply scroll down and tap on this contact us again, and tap on this email us option. So here you're gonna go ahead, write down them an email regarding your concern. Simply let them know that I would like to remove my bid on eBay. Please let me know how can I. You can say to eBay customer service over there, it's given. You're gonna type in the message of yours. You can type in the message for them. Go ahead, tap on the send, and you will be able to send them the particular mail and they will check on it. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.